this is Emily with Hella Beauty. It is probably like 8:30 in the morning. I normally get up at like 6. That's what being an adult does to you, you know what I'm saying? But I wanted to start this video off with a skincare routine just because I am doing this whole Ulta haul. And if you haven't checked out my first video, go ahead and check it out right there. And I mainly reviewed foundation, bronzer, primer, highlighter, stuff like that. But today we're gonna see what this skincare can do for my face, because I've been looking for a skincare routine that has been more natural, you know, not chemically inclined, something that's really gonna help my acne. And so I want to try out TULA products. I had done a little bit of research about the facial cleansers before I bought what facial cleanser I wanted, and also I researched some of the other products, you know, as far as like the moisturizer and stuff like that. I decided to get the acne foam cleanser, keep it clear. I really hope that this does me well, because I've heard really good things. There's good reviews on their websites. I really like anything that foams and prevents acne. So follow me to the bathroom and let's see how this stuff works on my face. So first we're starting off with the Keep It Clear Acne Foam Cleanser. And of course, when you move over here, it says probiotics and superfoods. So it kind of explains what exactly is targeting for your skin. Over here, we have everything that is formulated without parabens, sulfates, mineral oil, petroleum, all that good stuff. And then over here we have the ingredients on the back, of course. Okay, so right off the bat, I like that it's a pretty big bottle. It's not something like super tiny that's gonna last you literally 2 weeks. So hopefully this lasts me a good month or so. We're going to be using the Brightening Treatment Drops Triple Vitamin C Serum. Over here it tells you what is formulated without, the ingredients on the back, and of course the probiotics and superfoods. So make sure before you put any serums or toners or anything on your face, do your research, because there's a lot of skincare products out there that you can't mix serums and toners and exfoliants and stuff like that. So please do your research, because the last thing you want is your skin burning or being irritated or red. But I only have a serum and moisturizer, so in this case I will be fine. I really like the packaging of this. It's a little push drop for the topper. A little definitely goes a long way with this stuff. I mean, I really only need like 3 drops for my whole face. It doesn't smell bad. It smells really natural and it feels really nice and lightweight on the face. So I give this an A+. Next, we're reviewing the 24/7 Power Slack Hydrating Day and Night Treatment Eye Balm. Now, this is specifically used for hydrating and reducing the look of fine lines, wrinkles, and puffiness, because I want something that is going to help me in my old age when I turn 26 next year to get rid of those wrinkles. Now, this says that you can use it under your makeup or at night before you go to bed, but I know it's the morning. I'm gonna just try it anyways for the morning and see how it feels. So it looks like a little chapstick. Go ahead and pat that in a little bit. So far it slides on and glides on pretty smoothly. My camera is falling. And lastly, we're going to try the 24/7 Moisture Hydrating Day and Night Cream. This is specifically a moisturizer. I'm excited about this because moisturizing is my favorite part, especially because it's the last thing you leave on your face and you want it to be lightweight and feel good all night and day. A lot came off in the little cap, so I'm just gonna use what's in there because that's already a lot. So far, I really like this moisturizer. It's really lightweight and it doesn't smell or anything like that, and it just feels like it really goes into my pores really nicely. So far, I'm really liking all of these products, like a lot. And I know that they're clean products as well. They don't have a bunch of chemicals in them because I'm a clean girl and all we like is natural, okay? We just like natural. I mean, I know this is a makeup channel, but you know what I mean? We like natural things. I'm gonna stop talking. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I know I did. I love reviewing skincare products, especially because I've always had issues with my face, whether that's just breakouts or hyperpigmentation or like sunspots, you know, like freckles, like whatever. I mainly have acne around my chin area and, you know, hormonal acne. So, I mean, I definitely need something that is gonna help me with that. Otherwise, I really liked the smell of the acne foaming cleanser. It was really nice. It kind of smelled like an essential oil. I don't know, good or bad thing, but it was a really nice smell. Everything is very lightweight. I don't feel like my skin is greasy at all. I feel like it's glowing now. I really hope this kind of calms down in a little bit, and I'm sure it will once the products start working. I'll tell you something. In my last video, I linked in the beginning, I put that Urban Decay All-Nighter Vitamin C and Cactus Flower Oil setting spray on my face. I kid you not, I went to bed and I woke up and like most of these were like dried out and I was able to peel them off, you know, like a scab. And maybe that's why they look crappy right now, is because I messed with them. But my whole point is that that setting spray is really good as well. Catch me in my next video. I will be doing more product reviews, so stay tuned because I still have more stuff from ULTA. And don't forget, on your way out, to subscribe and then turn on your post notifications so that you know every time I post, you get a dang, 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 da, dang, da, dang, dang. Emily posted, yeah. I think if I'm not by now, I'm like the queen of cringe. Y'all have a great day. Stay beautiful.